So Sean Dereski is joining me today. Sean's got some really cool experience. He's an underground guy. I am mostly a blue sky miner, but he brings some great experience with technology implementation. We're talking a little bit about technology implementation. So, what's a big issue that you're seeing in the mining industry these days, Sean?
So I think one of the things we've seen in the underground industry is the implementation of the available technology out there. There's a lot of things that the open pit's doing, or that the other areas in our day-to-day life are already doing, that could be adopted into the underground area. Especially like in the automation side of things like autonomous haulage, autonomous drilling, drill assist. There's a lot of things there that we can be bringing in that can give us either efficiency gains or accuracy gains that can lead to efficiencies in other areas.
When I think it's so common in the industry, you're sold this technical solution. So the engineering's there, these complex algorithms that do all the math behind the scenes, they work. But the part that gets left off is how hard is it going to be to actually implement this? How hard is it going to be to train and get people to accept it? Now, you had a pretty good example that we were sharing earlier of basically how you got absolute acceptance with a group of miners.
So one of the projects I worked on up in northern British Columbia, we were forced to use drill navigation as part of the contract. But we ended up with two diff tunnels, and there was a size change on one of the tunnels. So the drill we had with the automation wasn't able to mine the tunnel. So we got approval to do one tunnel with a older two boom jumbo and one tunnel with the navigated jumbo. And it was a night and day difference. And it really helped to get buy-in from the guys, where you can actually take a look at the two different tunnels and say, okay, well, this tunnel here, which is like perfectly to profile, have all the half barrels from the blast breaking, and you can see it and it looks really good. Whereas opposed to, here's the tunnel that was, manually navigated, and, it's just, there's more overbreak, the blast, we weren't seeing the same amount of half barrels compared to the other tunnels. The profile shape wasn't the same. And it was a really good comparison because it was very similar rock. So it's the apples to apples comparison, where this is the computer, this is people, and look, the computer's winning. It's doing a better job, and it, got a lot of buy-in by being able to do something like that.
Yeah, beautiful. Hard to argue with results. And we say this, the excellence equals the quality of the engineered solution multiplied by the acceptance of the people and the implementation. I think that's a perfect example of it. Okay, thanks so much for that, Sean. If people want to find out some more information, I guess LinkedIn, Outliers, Mining Solutions website, give you a call.
Absolutely. Yeah, always here. And look forward to working with companies. And if there's any interest in this, we'd be happy to help out.
Sounds good. Okay, thanks, Sean.
Thanks, Ryan.